what's up, y'all? It's me, your girl, annoying as DiDi. Alright, you guys, so today we are in the garden. We don't have a lot of time before the sun goes down. I've been really busy today. So, let me show you what we got going on. See that pile of stuff right there over there? We got to get that in the garden as soon as possible. And, so come on, we got a lot of work to do. Let's get to it. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to soak this up because this is where my carrots are at. My carrots, my beets, my parsnip. Soak it up real good. Cover it up. Maybe a week or so we come check it out and see how they doing. This cardboard is going to keep the moisture in it. Alright. Still trying to get this trellis together, so let's see what happens. Ooh. I hope I don't have any seeds right there. Should I do it this way or this way? Hold it better. This was the last one was at, right? What is this? Alright, you guys, we got the second half up. This one looks like a good sturdy stick. Oh. I'm a little worried about this one. Alright, so I really don't like this stick, so I'm going to take it out. If in doubt, take it out. Alright, you guys, so we have replaced the trellis. Whew, boy. The next one we got to work on is this one. And then I want to work on the arch right here. I don't know what I'm going to connect right there, but it has to be something that is not going to weigh it down. I'm going to replace this one next time. I can't do it right now because I have so much stuff to do in the garden. So let's go ahead and finish that. Alright, you guys, so what I want to do is I want to go ahead and cover the ground with these so that way I can kill the weeds off because I have been struggling with the weeds. The weeds are winning. So we have lost the battle, but the war is not over. So come on, let me show you what I'm going to do with these. So we're going to put it over here. I'm going to put that one right there. Alright, Alright you guys, so this is what we got so far. And I'm gonna try to see if I can do that to the entire garden where I don't have any seeds planted, and see how that goes. So what's gonna happen is, once I am done covering the whole garden with paper bags, because I feel bad about throwing the paper bags away. So, and I've been thinking about using them in the garden, so I'm gonna do that. And then after that, with the leftover grass we get from the grass clippings that we get from cutting the grass, I'm gonna lay those on top of the cardboard and let everything decompose. And then that way it'll be, the soil should be able to hold water, well, hold moisture. I don't know why I'm stuttering right now, but and we're gonna see how that goes, because right now the soil is not holding moisture because the majority of it is sand. And I have to keep putting compost in it to, you know, to get it going, to turn into soil and to start developing microorganisms inside of it. So we're just, you know, treating the soil, and then we can get better plants. But come on, let's continue. Let's finish up in here. You guys, look, I got a ladybug in the garden. Oh, look at you, cutie. Oh. Yeah. All right, you guys, remember when I put the petroleum jelly on the tree so the ants can stop, what is it called? They can start farming the aphids? The aphids on the tree. So look, I forgot to put some on this tree. Now look at this ant. And look at those black aphids. I don't know what those is. Never seen black aphids, but I got some ants up here. But that's why I got my spray, because look, they trying to get my cherries. What's wrong with them? So now I gotta go get my petroleum jelly, because oh, put that scent right there to attract more ladybugs. So if you squeeze some aphids on you, it's gonna attract ladybugs. So you squeeze the aphids, wipe the scent on the plant, and it'll attract the bugs that eat the aphids. But look at this. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that, bro. They farming on my doggone thing, on my Barbados tree. My Barbados has not been the best. Ugh. Now I gotta go through the whole tree, bro. And I gotta put some petroleum jelly at the bottom of it, because otherwise the ants gonna get to it. So you see, they didn't get to my they ain't messing with my lemon tree. You know why? Because I got the petroleum jelly at the bottom of it, so they can't get on it. Otherwise they're gonna get stuck on it. They don't want to get stuck. Alright you guys, it's a little chilly out, so we got a little fire going, and I'm gonna get ready and make a trellis for my tomatoes. My tomatoes are starting to pop. They were starting to flower, but I went ahead and removed the flower because I wanted to concentrate on growing a little bit more so I can get a little bit more fruit. And so I got these 2 sticks in the ground, and then next time I'm going to wrap around the wires. So we just like making the skeleton of everything right now, and then we're gonna put the skin on it later. Sorry about that metaphor, but that's all I got right now. Alright you guys, so I was in the middle of giving my plants their compost, and look who bloomed. Hey, you pretty baby. She's so pretty. Look at those colors. Look guys, I underestimated one of my compost bombs and it popped right in my hand. Look how red it is. Look, it's still smoking. Look at that. You gotta be careful with these compost bombs, man. Alright, pause. Alright, you guys, so I got my horticultural oil. I'm gonna spray my good girl down. Alright, you guys, so we got these bad boys. I'm just gonna cut this down and feed it to my tomatoes. Because look, the stump is growing back because we didn't cover it. I didn't put any vinegar on this one. So now it's trying to come back. Alright, y'all, so it's almost about that time. The last thing I want to do before I water is see what's going on with these guys. So let's dig these up. Let's just see what the roots are looking like. Oh, it sounds like they're attached down there. But let me see. Alright, you guys, so these roots are no good. I think this is a goner. I mean, it's going to take some time. I see little roots, these little baby roots trying to come back. But look at the bark. Like, it's a goner. So I'm going to just take these out. Oh, this one still got life to it. Look. Seen how those other ones were all black? See how that doesn't break when you bend it? And see how they're all white and pretty? The thing is that, is it gonna die? You know? Is it getting ready to check out? You know what I'm saying? See, these are still bendable. Well, that one's broken. We still got some good roots. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna just go ahead and take it out because it doesn't look too good. So we're taking the hibiscus out. I got one more. So what you don't want to do, you don't want to cut your hibiscus down this much. You want to give it some room to move. So, and I took all the movement away from it. So I'm a little sad, but that's okay. You live and you learn. I still have one left. And I still got some seeds left, so I'm gonna go see how that. I'm thinking about planting more and see how that goes. And I'll put some on this side, and I'll put some on this side now that we chopped up that stump, and see what happens. Now I'm looking forward to something. Alright, you guys, so I am done. I'm just watering, giving them a quick little water. I don't give them too much water. It's supposed to be raining soon. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. And until next time, baby, it's your girl, Annoying as DiDi. Peace, love, and shea butter, baby.